Hello, children. Welcome to the online class. This is the second part of the chapter Parts and Wholes. Let's start the class. First topic is greedy gatekeepers. Remember Birbal? Birbal याद है आपको? The clever minister of King Akbar. We already read in Math Magic class 4, page 14 in last year. Do you know how he became a minister? Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. He was very clever and could write poetry. He thought he would try his luck in the king's court, so he took some of his poems and set off for the city. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. Gatekeeper said, "Hey, stop there. Where are you going?" shouted the gatekeeper. Birbal replied, "I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him." "Oh, you are a poet. The king is kind. He will surely give you a prize." अकबर जो है बहुत दयालु है, वो आपकी पोइट्री के लिए आपको प्राइज भी देंगे. आई विल लेट यू इन इफ़ यू गिव मी 1/10 ऑफ योर प्राइज. मैं आपको अंदर जाने दूंगा, लेकिन कब? अगर आप मुझे अपने प्राइस का 1/10 जो पार्ट है वो दें. 1/10 कितना हो सकता है? अगर उनको 100 कोइंस मिलते हैं, 100 का 1/10, सो 100 डिवाइड बाई 10, इट्स 10. So gatekeeper will get 10 coins if Birbal gets 100 coins. Young Birbal agreed since he had no other way. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated, if he gets 100 gold coins, I will get 10 gold coins. The poet came to a second gatekeeper. This gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. The poet agreed. Now the second gatekeeper wants 2/5. What is 2/5? If Birbal gets 100 coins, the 2/5 of 100 will be 100 to the 200 divide by 5, 40. So the gatekeeper happily calculated the poet will get at least 100 gold coins, so I will get 40 gold coins. If Birbal gets 100 coins from the Akbar, so second gatekeeper will get 40 gold coins. The poet reached the last gate. Third gate is also there. The gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the price. Half means 1 by 2. If Birbal gets 100, so the third gatekeeper will get 50 gold coins. Half of the price that you get. The poet had no other way. He agreed and went inside. The gatekeeper thought, today is a great day. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get 50 gold coins. But if he gets 1000 gold coins, wow, I will get. So, what will be the half of 1000? Yes, correct, 500. The king was very happy with the poems and said, your work is very good. You can ask anything as your prize. Now, Akbar said Birbal to ask for price what he wants. My lord, I want 100 slaps. Oh, Birbal asked for slaps. And how many? 100 slaps. The king was shocked. What? 100 slaps? क्योंकि कोई भी स्लैब्स नहीं मांगेगा ना प्राइस में. कोई पैसे, रुपए, चांदी, सोना ये मांगते हैं प्राइस में. स्लैब्स थप्पड़ कौन मांगता है? What happened after that? Complete the story. What part of the prize did the poet get? अगर 100 स्लैब्स अगर चाहिए तो बीरबल ने उनको आगे कहानी में क्या होता है, बीरबल ने उनको बताया होगा कि जो आपके जो गेटमैन्स है, गेट कीपर, फर्स्ट गेट कीपर, सेकेंड और थर्ड गेट कीपर, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि जो भी प्राइज़ मिलेगा उनका हिस्सा आप उनको देंगे। सो अगर मैं 100 स्लैब्स चाहता हूँ तो फर्स्ट गेट कीपर को 10 स्लैब्स मिलेगी और सेकंड गेट कीपर को 40 स्लैब्स मिलेगी और थर्ड गेट कीपर है जो हाफ चाहता है उसको 50 स्लैब्स मिलेगी। दैट मीन्स पूरी 100 स्लैब्स उनको मिल जाएगी और इसका पॉइंट को इसका कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा। सो हो सकता है उसकी इस बात से अकबर भी बहुत खुश हुआ होगा और उसको जो तीनों गेट कीपर है उनको पनिशमेंट दिया होगा और उसके साथ में बीरबल को और भी दूसरा प्राइज़ दिया होगा। ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, पैटर्न्स इन पार्ट्स। Make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grid B, C and D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Right. Let's see the grid square A. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 16 squares are there. 8 by 16 are blue. Out of the 16, 8 squares are blue and 8 are white, यानी कि हाफ जो है वो वाइट है और हाफ जो है ब्लू है। अब 8/16 वाइट है और हाफ भी वाइट है, इसका मतलब ये दोनों इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है। इनको हम 1/2 भी लिख सकते हैं और 8/16 भी लिख सकते हैं। Look at grid A again. Is the grid colored 1/2 white, 1/2 blue? Yes, correct. It is 1/2 white and 1/2 blue. 2/4 blue, 2/4 white. अगर अब 2/4 देखते हैं तो 2/4 फ्रैक्शन को स्मॉल या छोटा करने का एक सिंपल सा फार्मूला है कि किसी भी एक सेम नंबर से दोनों को डिवाइड करना है। अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड करें, 2 1 जा 2 एंड 2 2 जा 4, तो भी ये हाफ आएगा। एंड 2/4 वाइट, ये भी करेक्ट है, ये भी करेक्ट है। 4/8 ब्लू एंड 4/8 वाइट, 4/8, सो 2 2 जा 4 एंड 2 4 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4। ये भी अगर इनको हम कट कर देते हैं, ये भी 1/2 है, सो ये भी इक्विवेलेंट है। सो ये तीनों जो फ्रैक्शन है ये इक्विवेलेंट है। 3/8 ब्लू, 3/8 वाइट, ये इसमें रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। सो मार्क रॉन्ग ऑन द रॉन्ग आंसर एंड द आंसर, द ऑप्शन सी इज रॉन्ग। ड्रॉ ग्रिड्स ऑफ 16 स्क्वायर एंड मेक पैटर्न्स विद। ये जो स्क्वायर्स दिए हुए ए बी सी, उनमें पैटर्न्स बनाने हैं। लेट्स सी। ड्रॉ 2/8 रेड, 1/2 येलो एंड 1/4 ग्रीन। Say 2/8 red. So 2/8 out of 16. First choose the red color. 2/8, that means 4/16. So we will color 4 squares in red. 1/2 yellow. Half of the 16 will be yellow. And 1/4 green. That means we can say 2/8 and 1/4 is equivalent fraction. If we cut it, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8, so it comes 1/4. 4. Next B is 3 by 16 blue. 3 by 16 blue. So 1, sorry, it is green. 1, 2, 3. It is green. Sorry, blue. And 5 out of 16 red. 5 out of 16 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. And 1 by 2 yellow. 1 by 2 yellow. 1 by 2 of 16 is 8. So in this B, 3 by 16 and 5 by 16 are not equivalent fraction. Correct. Now the next topic is Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow? He grows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 types of vegetables. Okay. So come to the question. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? तो यहाँ पे देखेंगे 9 पार्ट्स में से 3 पार्ट्स पर टोमेटो, 2 पार्ट्स पर पोटैटो, सेम 2 पार्ट्स पर ब्रिंजल, 1 part spinach, and the 1 part is chili. Correct? So let's count. Which vegetable grow in the biggest part of his field? The tomato, 3 parts out of 9. What part? 3 of 9. इनको हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 1 जा 3 and 3 3 जा 9. 1/3 part of the field he grows tomatoes. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? He grows 1 and 2. 2 by 9 parts potatoes. And what part of the field he used to grow spinach, and what part is used for brinjal? Spinach here only 1, so it 1 by 9, and the brinjal it is 2 2 by 9. Correct. Now you write some questions by looking at the picture. Now you also have to make a question. Write the question in my comment box. I will see what type of question you made. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friend. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. So let's count first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 20 tomatoes are here, and the potatoes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 potatoes and 20 tomatoes. So Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes. So 1/5 of tomato, 1/5 of 20. So 21 is 20 by 5, 5 4 is 20. So Abu Bakr will get 4 tomatoes. and one third of the potatoes. So 18 potatoes are there. So one third of 18 will be 18 by 3, 6 3 is 18. So Abu Bakr will get 6 potatoes and 4 tomatoes. Sriza got 2/5 of the tomatoes. So what will be the 2/5 of tomatoes? Let's count. 2/5 of 20. So it will 2/5. 22 is a 40. Divide by 5. 8. So Sriza will get 8 tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. 3/6 part of the potatoes. Let's count. 18 potatoes are here. So 3/6 of 18. So 18 3 ja, count first, count let's first. हम इसको एक और तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं, इसको हम कट कर सकते हैं 3 2 ज़ा 6 और इसको हम काउंट करेंगे 18 बाई 2, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल 9, 9 2 ज़ा 18. सो Sriza will get 9 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue. Abu Bakr share in blue. So Abu Bakr got 4 tomatoes, 1 2 3 4, and 6 potatoes, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 potatoes. Srija and Srija share in yellow. Srija got 8 tomato, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and she got 9 potatoes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so and one another question is there, that how many potatoes and tomatoes did Nancy get? So Nancy got 3 potatoes and remaining 5 and 3 8 tomatoes. Okay, thank you.